Hi, today we are going to see how to create dashboards within minutes in your company. So instead of having just a call to gather requirements from your users, what if you can create the dashboard in front of them in that call and share it with them? So we are going to see how to create a dashboard within our company. So, for example, say we want to create a product analytics dashboard where we want to understand how the different categories are performed, how the subcategories are performed on sales and returns and customer metrics, and then analyze daily sales trend of different categories. And add to that, we also want to find out how different subcategories and brands or models have performed under each of the category. And then we want to then get into what are the top 10 performers for every category and the week 10 performers for every category. So we want to create a dashboard with all of this in. So let's go ahead and start creating that. So first let's find out what is the sales for this month. So yeah, now let's add something called as context filtering. This will enable us to have kind of comparisons where we want to see sales this month and sales last month and see the comparisons, right? So we can go ahead and add another sales again and then add last month to that, right? So we have sales this month and sales last month. Now let's go ahead and add it to a dashboard. Let's create a new dashboard. Let's call it product analysis, and we will add it to product analysis. Okay, now we want to create another card, KPI card for sales quantity. So let's go ahead and add. We want to do the same thing that we have done. Now I have paused this badge area so that I can add multiple changes at one go and then get the data. So same this month for, and then last month. Right, now let me pin this again to the dashboard. Okay, now let me go ahead and get returns information. So now again add context to that. So we will add this to our dashboard. Okay. Now we want daily sales trend for the last 90 days, and we want this for different categories. Awesome. So let's go ahead and add this to our dashboard. Right. Okay. So next, what we want to do is find out how different subcategories have performed, for every category. So let's pause the video, remove, remove this, add this month, and have subcategories, and then play this. So let's go ahead and choose a better visual. Now I want to sort this by sales amount, and now let's go ahead and add this to our dashboard. And I want to do the same thing with returns also. So let me do that. Add returns. and then add this to the dashboard. Okay. So now we've got this. What we want to do is finally get the top 10 performers for every category and get returns information for them, and same way get bottom 10 performers for every category. So let's do that. Product name we want to add, and we want whatever other information we want. Let's add sales amount. We want gross sales, sales quantity, returns quantity. We also want new customers, repeat customers. Now we want only the top 10 performers. So let's go by sales for every category. So now we have got top 10 performers for every category. Let's add a little bit highlight. So we want to highlight the sales quantity and the returns quantity, and we can add, choose from what kind of highlight we want to add, and now pin this. So here we can change the title of the chart and add it. Now we want to do the same thing but with the bottom 10 performers. Right. Now let's go ahead and pin this to. Okay. So now we have created the dashboard. Let's go ahead and look at the dashboard. So product analysis. This is the dashboard that we created. So we'll just quickly wait for it to come up. Okay, super. So now we just want a little bit alignment and changes to the layout. So let's go ahead and make those changes. Yeah. So now our dashboard is ready for use. You can share this with the user. You can, customize this. You can add filter, interact with it. The users can then dive in from here and directly get to the chart. So all of this is possible. Thank you.